KTM News: KTM excited for European Junior E-Motocross Series as 2022 registrations open. Please subscribe our channel, thank you for your support. Open to all KTM SXE5 riders, the European Junior E-Motocross Series is a 5-round series that will once again run alongside selected rounds of the MXGP World Championship. Adopting the same racing format as MXGP, a timed qualifying session will be used to determine gate pick, seating riders onto the start line for each of the 2 races. After the points are tallied up following the 2 motos, the top 3 overall riders will make their way onto the MXGP podium to celebrate their success. The MXGP of Spain on May 29th plays host to the season opener, with the remaining 4 events taking place during the early summer months. Visiting the popular venues of Ernie in France and Teuchenthal in Germany, the series draws to a close with a 2-day event in Leket, the MXGP of Czech Republic, on July 16th to 17th. After attracting a truly international lineup throughout the 2021 campaign, the first running of the series undoubtedly proved to be a huge success, with the 2022 tour shaping up to be even bigger and better. Entries are now open and will sell out fast, with the only requirement to secure a place on the start line being that competitors commit to a minimum of 3 rounds, while also being affiliated to their national federation. All racers who line up on state-of-the-art KTM SXE5 minicycles will receive a selection of exciting products from the KTM Powerwear range. Designed with the same winning intent as all KTM motocross models, the pitwear, merchandise, and accessories provided will ensure all young riders enjoy a professional appearance when away from the racetrack. And for the 2022 European Junior E-Motocross Series champion, an exclusive prize is up for grabs: an all-expenses-paid trip for the series winner and 1 guest to the FIM Motocross of Nations in the USA in September. All riders who compete in the full 5-round series will be eligible to join an end-of-season training camp with representatives from Red Bull KTM Factory Racing. Federico Valentini, KTM head of global marketing, said, "It's really exciting that the European Junior E-Motocross Series is returning in 2022 following the success of last year. It proved to be hugely popular and the feedback we have received has been incredibly positive. This year we will see the same racing format, which worked perfectly in 2021 and gives all the riders a very rare opportunity to race on the same tracks as their MXGP heroes. The series really shows that KTM is 100% committed to both racing and our e-mobility research and development, with many of the racers last year choosing the KTM SXE5 as their bike of choice. It's not too long until the first round, and I'm sure the 2022 European Junior E-Motocross Series will be a huge success." More information are available in the description of this video. Thank you for watching us. Please subscribe our OKR Moto YouTube channel. OKR Moto is an KTM authorized dealer and service since year 2003, based in Slovakia. For more KTM related news with international subtitles, please check our playlist. Link is available in the description of this video. Thank you for your support and subscription.